wish.
Thank you, son.
He stole my wish.
It's okay.
What is it, son?
I wish that have a long and
Healthy.
yeah, like
That's what I said.
Okay, how about you, Junaline?
I said healthy.
Say happy birthday,
I said
Dad.
healthy.
Thank you.
And wish. So, Junaline, what's your wish?
That's the same. He stole my wish.
It's okay.
I mean, I'm full of that.
Yes, but I took.
It's okay. Wish your dad a long life, a healthy.
And more red wine.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday, Daddy. Okay, sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy senior citizen.
Happy senior. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Daddy.
Who's more bald, Kobe or Dad?
Dad.
Answer down below.
Okay.
Sign it out.
Bye. Happy birthday sa aking mahal na asawa. Kunti lang ang handa niya. Pero wala naman kaming bisita. Nagluto siya ng pansit. Ng ginatan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang menu. Ito. Pinapaitan. Saka siyempre, magba-barbecue na naman kami mamaya. Barbecue. Ayan. Nakita ko rin si Johnny Walker. Oh, Johnny, buti na lang dumating ka. May bisita si Jonald. Oh, si Johnny Walker. Saka ito ang kanyang Blue Label. Blue Label. Ang gold label niya. Ito. Mga collection. Mga collection na lang ang mga ito. Hindi na niya iniinom. Blue label niya. 3. Wala pa lang laman yung isa. Ay, ang display na lang kayo ngayon. May kantuan ng Tuya po Mayor. Kawit ng tutanaysan. Ayan. Blue label. Ay, nako. Buhay. Sa Amerika. Buti na lang dumating si Johnny. Ay, hindi pala si Johnny ito. Si Black Label pala. Nakamali ako. Okay. Best dad ever. Yan. At saka si Estela. Dumating din si Estela. Ito ang kanyang mga bisita. Hanapin ko nga si Pare Johnny lang ang handa. Bukas na. The birthday boy himself is doing the barbecue. Ay, nabubuhay sa Amerika. Birthday boy, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me.
May you live long. Wow, there's a lot of... What is that? That's your birthday gift from him? Wow. Red wine. Red wine. Red wine. Red wine. Daddy.
May
What is
kumatang?
that? Lalamon ate, pakita. What's your wish on your birthday?
More red wine to come.
I'm very thankful. Hindi na siya umiinom ng hard. Red wine na lang. My prayers for 22 years has been granted. Ay. So prayers is real. The birthday celebrant is cooking the barbecue himself for his birthday.
It's all around.
There's the special guest, Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Hi.
What's your wish for my husband? Wish.
Oh.
Wish him luck.
His wish for the New Year's is for health, to stay safe from Colby, and to be happy. And more wine. And more wine, and more wine to have more faith in Jesus, and that's pretty much the gist of it. As far as all you need in life is good food, good family, and happiness. That's all.
This is my birthday gift to my one and only love. My husband. What is this? This is happy birthday, mahal. Mahal ang bigas. Enjoy your new bike. New bike for you. Oh. Happy birthday.
Wow, dapat sakaya ako na.
Happy birthday to you.
Here's a happy couple on Jonal's birthday, enjoying each other and the good food,
Happy.
and their beautiful family, which I'm so blessed to have met and have in my life also.
Happy birthday, my dear.
He made it another year. He made it another year. You and Jabet look so much alike every time I look at you, I see Jabet.
Thank you, God, for another year for your birthday.
Uh-huh.
You are now
Officially old.
You're no senior.
We can go move into the senior homes now. Uh-huh.
10 more years retired.
10 more years, wow.
9 more years retired.
Awesome,
Or
yeah.
7.
Yeah, that is something to look forward to, huh?
Like,